combination is pinwheel, extension, spiral, snap, pinwheel, extension, spiral, snap the other way. Dun, dun, boom. So let's do it, let's do it, let's do it, let's do it. Okay, and clockwise, snap, anti-clockwise, extension, spiral, extension, and spiral, and snap, and then the other way, and spiral, and snap, and the other way. Lockout, spiral, lockout, spiral, lockout, spiral, lockout, spiral. That's another one. Let's do the one with the lockout, spiral, pinwheel, lockout, spiral, pinwheel, lockout, spiral, wait, lockout, spiral, pinwheel. Yes, yes, yes. Do you have this cap yet? Cap, spiral, cap, spiral. Because you know, just what you need is another one. Turn this way, and you do an overhand weave. Then you turn toward me, I'm mirroring you, and do a spiral. Then you would continue the turn this way, and you're back in overhand after the spiral. And then from here, turn back toward me, spiral, and then go back to the overhand where you were. So overhand, turn, spiral, turn, overhand, turn, spiral, snap, overhand, turn, spiral, snap, overhand, turn, spiral. Start here on underhand, and it's the same thing. You're gonna turn, spiral, snap, and then turn, continuing the turn, and you'll be an underhand on this side. And then you'll turn back, spiral, snap, and then go into underhand here. And then turn and spiral and snap, and turn and spiral and snap, and turn and spiral and snap, and turn and spiral and snap. Yeah! Oh, this one, where you're just practicing one to the other with a tight snap and a good line of the hand. We're like, one of the reasons I'm giving you these combos is so that you can actually start putting them into your improv flow. It makes it more fun for me. I mean, maybe not for you. Well, it's just like a payoff. You can feel the real payoff at that point, I feel like. So it's the good stuff.